Hi, today we're going to install a whole house surge protector that will basically go in the circuit breaker panel. It's not like the ones I've looked at on YouTube where they're all mounted in a separate little box or display panel that's either attached to the box or inset into the wall. This actually goes into the breaker panel. It has two circuit breakers built into it, and it goes into a Murray panel, which is basically, from what I can tell, the same thing as a Siemens. So this is our project today, so let's get started. Okay, the first thing we got to do is turn off the power and remove the outer panel of the circuit board. So I'm actually going to turn off the camera while we do that. Here's the service disconnect. So I'm going to shut that down. And now I'm going to remove the panel. Okay, we're going to remove this bottom screw here and then just pull out the panel. So it exposes our circuit panel in there. Here's the new surge protector. You see there's two green lights and two circuit breakers, both 20 amp. So those need to be in the off position for the install. Okay, here's the panel. We got the master off. We got the new one off. We're going to put it right at the top here. We're just going to slide it in there and snap it in place. I'm going to use two hands for this. And then I'm going to actually hook up one of the lights to the garage to it, so I'll know if it gets tripped. But that basically hooking this the bottom into the little hooks here, and it snaps into place. It was a little difficult to get lined up. Actually, it was just kind of tight, so I had to push on this rod here back, and then it just slides into place like that. Okay, so that's all there is to that. Okay, we got the surge protector and the circuit breaker bar route, and the next connection is going to be for the white wire to connect to the neutral bar. You can see a bunch of white wires in the background here. There's a neutral bar. You can see the top of them, the heads there. We're going to connect that. What's important though is you want this wire to be as short as possible, the most direct run to the neutral bar. And so we're going to cut that off and connect it in. Okay, I got the white wire connected up to the neutral bar in there. It should have been really easy, but the screw fell out, so I had to struggle with it, so I didn't film it. But it's there. And I actually am going to connect one of the other circuits to this. And I'll show you how I'm doing that. I'm going to take the garage door lights and attach it into here, so that way if this surges, we'll know when it's gone off. Alright, when I move the garage door light, plugged it into the new surge protector, so that way if this thing pops, the garage door lights won't work. And it'll let me know that it's popped, and I can come out and reset it. Okay, and I just moved that from another circuit breaker down here. So I just made sure the amperage was the same. Okay, and that's, if I wanted to, I can add another one here. I'm just going to go with that one for now. Okay, that's it. I'm going to install the cover panel and turn the power on. And hopefully I'll be protected. And just FYI, this is not for direct lightning strikes, but it does help if there's a nearby lightning strike or other surges. But it does not protect against direct lightning strikes. Okay, I got to remove two panels from the panel board. And I can put this baby back on. Okay, the last step, just turn these on. Turn the master back on. Got 2 green lights glowing. That's correct. Last thing you do, it comes with a little label that goes on here and instructs people how to use it. We're going to stick that on and should be good to go. Thanks a lot. Hope this helps.